Reignite your motivation. After the holidays. The holidays are almost over and reality is calling. The festive lights have dimmed, the celebrations are behind us, and the to-do lists are piling up. You tell yourself it's time to get back on track, but the motivation just isn't there. You feel stuck, sluggish, and unprepared to face what's ahead. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Transitioning from the comfort and joy of the holiday season back to the grind is one of the hardest challenges we face. But here's the good news. You can reignite your motivation and start this chapter stronger than ever. Motivation isn't something that just happens to you. It's something you create. The mistake we make is waiting for it, expecting a sudden spark to light the way. But motivation doesn't come from the outside. It comes from action. It's built, step by step, as you move forward, even when you don't feel like it. The key to staying motivated isn't in chasing the feeling, it's in building momentum. But let's be honest, after the holidays, momentum feels out of reach. Your routine is out of sync, and the comfort of the season lingers in your mind. This is where most people falter. They let the post-holiday blues convince them that it's okay to wait, to ease back in slowly. But here's the truth. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Action isn't just the antidote, it's the starting point. Even the smallest step can break the cycle of procrastination. The holidays leave us longing for something, a sense of connection, joy, or freedom. But what if you could bring those feelings into your everyday life? Staying motivated isn't about leaving the holiday spirit behind. It's about carrying its energy forward. Think about what made the holidays meaningful to you. Was it the time with loved ones? The sense of giving? The moments of rest? What if those weren't just reserved for the holidays? What if you could weave those values into your daily life, making every day a little brighter? Another reason motivation fades after the holidays is that we focus too much on what we lost, the celebrations, the time off, and not enough on what we're gaining. The end of the holidays isn't the end of joy, it's the beginning of possibility. The new year is a blank canvas, and you hold the brush. Every decision you make now shapes the picture you'll look back on in a year. Instead of mourning the season that's passed, celebrate the opportunity ahead. But here's the thing. Motivation doesn't thrive in chaos. After the holidays, your mind and environment might feel cluttered, weighed down by leftovers, both literal and metaphorical. To stay motivated, you need clarity. Take a moment to pause, breathe, and reset. Clear your space, organize your thoughts, and reconnect with your purpose. Motivation is fueled by focus, and focus comes from knowing where you're going and why. Motivation also loves progress. Nothing reignites the spark like seeing results, no matter how small. So instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate the little wins, the emails answered, the workout completed, the small steps toward your goals. Each win builds confidence, and confidence builds momentum. Imagine looking back a month from now and realizing that those small efforts added up to something incredible. Finally, remember this. Motivation isn't about feeling inspired every moment. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. The holidays may have given you a break, but now it's time to step forward. Not with pressure or guilt, but with the knowledge that you have what it takes to create a life you're proud of. Motivation comes and goes, but commitment to yourself, that's where the magic happens. So, as the holiday glow fades, don't wait for the perfect moment to feel ready. Start now. Take one step and then another. Build momentum, celebrate progress, and carry the best parts of the holidays into your everyday life. Because this isn't just the end of the holidays, it's the beginning of everything you've been waiting for. And this time, you're ready.